Behind me, 903 Meadowcrest Way here in the StoneBridge community located in Lebanon, Tennessee. And as of recording this video, this home is going up for sale. Originally built by Goodall Homes, this is approximately a 1,900 square foot home, 2 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, also features a sunroom and loft on the 2nd floor. Loft has some potential to convert to a 3rd bedroom. So with that, we're gonna dive in and give you a full tour of this property. So this is the front of the home. Obviously, you are an end unit and you're situated at the back of this StoneBridge neighborhood. Nice, quiet section. So one of the benefits of being the end unit, you get this nice little side lot as well. And of course, join walls with 1 person instead of 2. And we're gonna run to the back and show you the garage. Okay, so this is the back side of the property. This is actually supposedly a little private alley. So side lot, garden patio, attached 2-car garage. Again, nice little quiet area. So as you step in the front door, you're gonna find yourself in the sunroom. It's currently used as an office. A lot of natural light in here. You got 2 doors that you can open and close. They have the frosted glass. So you can make it a nice little space, utilize it as an office like they're doing, or whatever you choose. On the primary floor, you're gonna find finished hardwood floors in the main living areas. And then to give you a quick feel for the space, so as you walk out of the sunroom, you're gonna find yourself in the main living area. Off to the right's your primary suite, and then 2nd bedroom is down in the back. That is the back door. It goes out to a little garden patio area. And then you've got the upstairs, which goes to the loft with a full bathroom. So let's swing on around. We're gonna head into the primary suite. So you got ceiling fan, a lot of natural light again, carpeted floors. It's a very well-sized bedroom. You've got blinds in the house. This is your primary bathroom. Dual vanities, huge closet space, and then you've got your commode and walk-in shower. This is just a little linen closet, and this is your primary closet, of course. You can tell, big space. As we make our way to the rest of the house, on the left, you're gonna find this large storage closet underneath the stairwell. So that's your living room, as you can tell. We're gonna head on up to the loft. You've got the hardwood stair treads, or wooden stair treads. So this is your loft. Nice space. You've got full bathroom on it. You could utilize this as a guest bedroom, a den. Hey, maybe if you even want to, you could finish out that wall and make this a true private bedroom. But here's that full bathroom. You've got the tub shower combo. And then another storage closet. And this one, big space. Give you another feel of this bedroom on this side. So if you were to finish the wall out and put a door, this would give you a 3rd bedroom, I guess bedroom suite in the house. Heading back down. Okay, so this is your living room space. You've got the open floor plan. That side's currently utilized as the dining room. Kitchen, get there in a second. So a lot of natural light again, if you haven't already noticed. Stepping into the kitchen, granite countertops. You've got your shaker cabinets. Utility room just off the kitchen. Electric washer dryer hookups. All appliances do stay, including the refrigerator on this one. And then you've got your pantry. So heading on back to the second bedroom. This is your second bedroom. It's got your closet as well. Good little space to use for an office desk. And this overlooks your garden patio. Okay, this is your second full bath downstairs. So the house does contain 3 full bathrooms as it is. Single vanity, tub shower combo. And then you've got the tile floor. All right, next we'll head out back. So we've just stepped out the back door. This is your little garden patio. Nice little quaint place. That is going to be the entry to your garage, 2-car garage. Just quickly show that. So you got this 2-car garage over here.
And then you also get access through this back gate to the garden patio. And then with your HOA dues, you get access to numerous amenities offered by the community. That includes green space, a huge clubhouse that features a fitness center, billiards room, and space to gather and meet. You've also got a very large pool with swimming lanes, a splash pad for the young kids to play in, and then also a hot tub to relax in. It also features a playground as well. And then with that, throughout the community, you've got sidewalks and then a walking trail to enjoy as well. And lastly, one of my favorites is the pond that you'll find stocked up front by the entrance of the community. So with that, thanks for joining on this property tour. If you have any questions, reach out. We are the listing agent. Contact information can be found in the YouTube description. So I hope you have a blessed day. Talk to you soon.